iPhone XS M.Matrix external cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone XS M that can't use Face ID. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the loop and L3 repair instrument. Plug in .Matrix activation expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Attach the front camera to the expansion board. Detection display fuse L air. It can only be activated in the fused state. Activation successful. Take out .Matrix external cable. Detection display normal. Click to view the installation tutorial. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion board. Plug in the mobile phone data cable too. Connect the mobile phone. Detection display back. Detection display right serve success. Detection display exists data. Install the front camera back on the phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.